Are you writing the blog in your website and sharing it from there? Nicole's asking. Yes, 100%. So you write the content on your website. So on your Chime website, you have a blog feed that pours into it, and you have the ability to create, a WordPress blog that you create dynamic, hyperlocal, custom content. That's what we do for our clients, and you have the same ability with your platform. Go in there and create the blog content that will be housed on your blog roll, and then that lives on your site forever. Even if it's timely, it lives in that feed. So when you do share the content, you share that blog straight from your website. That's why it's so beneficial to do that, because you're driving more website activity, or I'm sorry, you're driving more traffic to get more website activity. So again, you're getting new visitors, you're getting repeat visitors. People are staying and sticking on your site longer. So your time on site increases, your bounce rate decreases. All these things are elements in Google's algorithm to when it comes to SEO organic ranking. So over time, as you consistently do these efforts, when people search, the local food hall that we wrote about, because we got 1,000 people to go to that page, there's a good chance that may come up when people search, and people will read that and go to your real estate website to read that blog. That's just one example, but every piece of content, especially if it's about real estate, of course, like you want that to be in that central hub, and your website should be one of your best salespeople. It should show what you do. It should convey it in a concise way, and it should convert. It should be one of the biggest pillars, and it's really one of your first impressions. So it's super important that you utilize what Chime has to do, like the enhanced website edits with the builder. You have the ability to do IDX hot sheets. The lead scoring system is amazing. All that communicates together. So
absolutely.
It's just like,
if I may be so bold to say, if you're thinking of your Chime website as only a listing website, you're thinking too small.
Yeah.